Dear all, today let me start with question number 9. Use the sign of greater than, less than or equal to in the box to make the statements true. So here, first question, minus 8 plus minus 4 box minus 8 minus minus 4. So in order to find this sign, we have to solve left hand side as well as right hand side. So first of all, let us solve this left hand side. So minus 8 plus minus 4, so plus minus 4, plus into minus minus, so minus 4. So minus 8 minus 4, now both are minus, we have to add and put minus sign. So 8 plus 4, 12, so minus 12. Then right hand side, minus 8 minus minus 4. So minus 8 minus and minus, minus into minus plus. So minus 8 plus 4. Again 1 minus 1 plus. So subtract and put minus sign. So 8 minus 4, 4. So minus 4. Now minus 12 and minus 4. That means minus 12 is less than minus 4. When both are minus, the greater number will be the smallest. So minus 12 is less than minus 4. So in this box we have to put less than. Same way B, minus 3 plus 7 minus bracket 19. So minus 3 plus 7, here minus inside plus, so minus into plus minus. So minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. So minus 3 plus 7, subtract and put greater sign. So plus 4, minus 3 plus 7 becomes plus 4, then this minus 19. So 4 minus 19, subtract and put greater sign. So 19 minus 4 is 15, so minus 15. Right hand side, 15 minus 8 plus bracket minus 9. So 15 minus 8 plus into minus minus 9. So 15 is here, minus 8 minus 9. Both are minus, so we have to add and put minus sign. So 8 or 9 becomes 17. So 15 minus 17. So here this becomes minus 15 and here it becomes 15 minus 17. Subtract and put greater sign. So becomes minus 2. Now minus 15 is less than minus 2. So here it is less than symbol. So here also you have to put less than symbol. Now see, 23 minus 41 plus 11 bracket, box 23 minus 41 minus 11. So 23 minus 41, subtract and put greater sign. So minus 18 plus 11. Here 23 minus 41 minus 11 becomes minus 52. Subtract and put add and put minus sign. So 23 minus 52. So this becomes minus 18 plus 11. Subtract and put greater sign. So minus 7. Here also subtract and put greater sign. So minus 29. Now minus 7 and minus 29, minus 7 is greater. So here you have to put in this box you have to put greater sign. Same way D, 39 plus minus 24 minus in bracket 15. 36 plus in bracket minus 52 minus minus 36. So 39 plus minus minus 24 minus plus minus 15. Now this is 39 minus 24 and minus 15, both are minus, we have to add and put minus sign. So 24 plus 15, 39 and minus sign. So 39 minus 39 becomes 0. Right hand side, 36 plus minus 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 52 plus 36. So 36 here, this 36, this 36, both are plus. So 36 plus 36 becomes 72. And this minus 52. The 72 minus 52 becomes 20. Now between 0 and 20, 0 is less than. 20. So here it is less than sign, so here also you have to put less than sign. Now here minus 231 plus 79 plus 51, box minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. So minus 231, 79 plus 51 becomes 130. Now minus 231 plus 130, subtract and put greater sign. So minus 101. Here minus 399 plus 240, subtract and put greater sign. So minus 159. So minus 101 and minus 159. So minus 101 is greater. If both are minus, smaller one will be greater. So minus 101 greater than minus 159. So in this box you have to put greater sign. Now in the next slide, question number 10 is given. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. See, from this first step the monkey has to move down to 9th step to have water. To take the water it has to move down 9 steps. So here first question, he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? That is first question. And second question, after drinking water he wants to go back. For this he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? And third question, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps move up by positive integers, then represent its moves in part 1 and 2 by complete the following. So A, minus 3 plus 2 minus dash 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 equal to minus 8, and B, 4 minus 2 plus dash 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 equal to 8. So in A, the sum minus 8 represent going down by 8 steps. So what will the sum 8 in B represent? Now answer for the first part. The monkey jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? See, the monkey is in the first step. So when he jumps first, he goes 3 steps forward. So 1 plus 3 equal to 4. That is fourth step. Now again in the second jump, that is back jump, she comes back 2 steps up. So 4 minus 2 equal to 2. That is, it comes to the second step. Now from second step, in the third jump, goes 3 steps forward. 2 plus 3 equal to fifth step. Then again fourth jump, it comes back by 2 steps. So 5 minus 2 equal to third step. Then the next jump, that is fifth jump, from the third step again goes 3 steps forward. That is 3 plus 3 equal to sixth step. Then in sixth jump, 6 minus 2 equal to fourth step. So like that, in seventh jump, 4 forward plus 3 equal to 7 step. Eighth jump, comes back 2 steps, 7 minus 2 equal to fifth step. Then ninth jump, from fifth step again goes forward 3, 5 plus 3 equal to 8 step. Then 10th jump, from 8 comes back by 2 steps. So 8 minus 2 equal to 6th step. Then in 11th jump, from the 6th step again goes forward 3. So 6 plus 3 equal to 9 step. Remember, the water level is in the 9th step. Therefore, thus monkey reaches 9th step in 11 jumps. You can understand, I hope. Now by second part we understand, after drinking the water the monkey wants to go back, that means to come up. So while coming back it comes 4 steps up, then go back 2 steps down. So from down 9 step, in first jump it goes up by 4 steps, so 9 minus 4 because it is coming back, that means up. So 9 minus 4, that means 5, that is 5th step it reaches. Then again due to imbalance it jumps down, that means second jump 5 plus 2, that is equal to 7 step. In third jump again 7, going up 4 steps, so 7 minus 4 equal to third step. Then fourth jump from third step it goes down by 2 steps, so 3 plus 2 equal to fifth step. Again in fifth jump from the fifth step going up 4 steps, therefore 5 minus 4 equal to first step. That means in 5 jumps it comes back to the first step. In the third question it is told number of steps moved down is represented by negative integer and number of steps moved up by positive integer. So in the first question, according to this first question, 3 jumps down and 2 steps up. First jump, second jump, third jump, like that it goes on. So 3 steps down, that is minus 3, 2 steps up, that is plus 2. Like this, when you do this, we get here it is minus 8, and from the second one it was 4 steps up and 2 steps down. So up positive integer and down negative integer. So 4 steps up first jump, 2 steps down second jump, like that when we add together you get 8. So here the question is, what will the sum 8 in B represent? So in B we got 8, the addition we got 8. So what does it mean? The sum 8 in B represents going up by 8 steps. So today we have discussed question number 9 and 10. Hope all of you have understood. So please go through it.